Google search is no longer just links. AI mode turns search into answers, follow-up questions, research, and intelligent discovery. Now let's look at search as becoming a conversation. Traditional Google search usually gave you a list of links. You searched, clicked, compared, and searched again. AI mode changes that experience. It gives AI-powered answers with helpful links to explore further. It also lets you ask follow-up questions. This makes search feel more like a guided conversation too. The big change is simple. Search is moving from links only to answers plus exploration. Now let's look at what you will learn. First, we will understand what Google AI mode is. Then we will compare traditional search with AI search. Next, we will explain AI overviews and AI mode. After that, we will look at follow-up questions and deeper search. Then we will cover multimodal search with text, voice, and images. Finally, we will discuss impact on users, SEO, creators, students, and businesses. Now let's look at what is Google AI mode. Google AI mode is an AI-powered search experience. It is designed for more complex and detailed questions. Instead of only showing blue links, it can generate an organized answer. It can also include helpful web links. You can ask follow-up questions without starting from zero. AI mode is meant to help users explore topics more deeply. It is part of Google's larger shift toward AI-powered search. Now let's look at traditional search versus AI search. Traditional search works like a directory of results. You type a query and Google shows pages that may help. AI search works more like an assistant. It can understand a broader question. It can combine information into a summarized response. It can suggest next questions or related directions. The user journey becomes less linear and more conversational. Now let's look at what are AI overviews. AI overviews are AI-generated snapshots in Google search. They give a quick summary for some search queries. They may include key points and links to learn more. AI overviews are useful when you want a faster starting point. Instead of opening many pages immediately, you can first understand the topic. Then you can click sources for deeper reading. AI overviews are one step toward AI-assisted search. Now let's look at AI overview versus AI mode. AI overviews usually appear inside regular search results. They give a quick AI-generated summary for selected searches. AI mode is a more complete AI search experience. It supports deeper exploration and follow-up questions. Think of AI overviews as a quick snapshot. Think of AI mode as a deeper AI search workspace. Both are part of the same shift toward AI-powered search. Now let's look at how AI mode works. AI mode can break a complex question into smaller parts. It can search across different related subtopics. It can organize the answer into a useful response. It can show helpful web links for further exploration. It can keep context when you ask follow-up questions. This helps users investigate a topic without repeating the whole query. The goal is to reduce the effort needed for complex searches. Now let's look at follow-up questions change search. In traditional search, every new question often starts a new search. In AI mode, follow-up questions can continue the conversation. You can ask for examples. You can ask for comparisons. You can ask for simpler explanations. You can go deeper into one part of the answer. This makes search feel more like learning with an assistant. Now let's look at deeper search for complex questions. Many real questions are not simple keyword searches. For example, which laptop is best for a student studying data science? Or, how should a small business use AI for customer support? These questions require comparison, context, and reasoning. AI mode can help organize the answer. It can explore multiple factors together. This is useful when one search result is not enough. Now let's look at multimodal search. AI search is also becoming multimodal. This means users can search in more than one way. They can type a question. They can ask using voice. They can use images or photos. They can ask about what they see. Search is becoming more natural and less limited to typed keywords. Now let's look at example, student research. A student can use AI mode to explore a study topic. For example, explain climate change impacts on agriculture. Then the student can ask follow-ups. Give examples from India. Explain it for school students. Show key points for a presentation. AI mode can help structure learning, but students should still verify sources. Now let's look at example, creator research. A content creator can use AI search to research video topics. They can ask for subtopics, comparisons, FAQs, and audience questions. They can explore what viewers may want to understand. They can also open linked sources for accuracy. This can speed up topic research. But creators should not copy answers blindly. Good content still needs original thinking and fact-checking. Now let's look at example, business users. Business users can ask complex practical questions. For example, how can AI improve invoice processing? Or, compare CRM tools for a small sales team. AI mode can help organize options, factors, and next steps. It can provide a faster starting point for research. It can also guide users toward useful web sources. Business decisions still need validation and judgment. Now let's look at impact on SEO and websites. AI search may change how people discover websites. Users may get more answers directly in search. But helpful links still matter. Websites may need to focus more on clear, useful, trustworthy content. Content that answers real questions may become more important. Creators should think beyond keywords. They should create content that helps both people and AI systems understand the topic. Now let's look at what creators should focus on. Creators should write clear explanations. They should answer specific user questions. They should show expertise and practical examples. They should organize content with headings and structure. They should avoid thin or generic content. They should support claims with reliable sources. In AI search, helpfulness and trust become even more important. Now let's look at what digital marketers should watch. Search behavior may become more conversational. People may ask longer and more detailed questions. They may compare options directly in AI search. They may expect summarized answers before clicking. SEO may need to include topic depth, credibility, and user intent. Brand visibility may depend on being useful across the full search journey. AI search does not remove SEO, it changes how SEO must be understood. Now let's look at risks and limitations. AI-generated search answers can still make mistakes. They may misunderstand the question. They may miss context. They may summarize information imperfectly. Users should check important facts from reliable sources. This is especially important for health, finance, legal, and academic work. AI search is useful, but it should not replace critical thinking. Now let's look at how to use AI mode better. Ask clear and specific questions. Include context about what you need. Ask follow-up questions to refine the answer. Request comparisons, examples, or step-by-step explanations. Click useful web links for deeper reading. Verify important claims. Treat AI search as a research assistant, not a final authority. Now let's look at future of search. Search is moving from keyword matching to AI-assisted exploration. Users may search with longer questions. They may use voice and images more often. They may expect quick summaries and deeper follow-ups. Websites may need to become more useful, structured, and trustworthy. Students, creators, marketers, and businesses will need new search habits. The future of search is more conversational, visual, and context-aware. Now let's look at final content recap. Google AI Mode is an AI-powered search experience. It helps users ask complex questions and explore follow-ups. AI overviews give quick snapshots inside search results. AI Mode supports deeper conversational search. Multimodal search lets users search with text, voice, and images. AI search matters for students, creators, businesses, SEO, and digital marketing. The key skill is knowing how to ask better questions and verify better answers. To wrap up, here is the key takeaway. You now have a structured overview of Google AI Mode explained, how AI search is changing Google. Review the core ideas, connect them to examples, and revisit concepts like search is becoming a conversation, what you will learn, what is Google AI Mode? When practicing. Subscribe to Easy Machine Learning Guide if you want to learn AI through simple explanations and real industry examples.